Using some rocks to kind of hold that water so that we don't rush it off into the streets. And there's a lot of things people can do with their landscapes just by kind of looking around and with a little bit of design, modifying maybe some of that old style where it was roof, gutter, street as quick as possible. Let's get it, let's make stormwater. Then we can turn on the news at 10 o'clock at night and watch our friends' cars float down the roof surface. And we'll just go ahead and kind of start at the top. And we'll talk about what it takes. Of course, 10 is the best. When you start collecting rainwater on a barn or rain shed or your roof, home, whatever, 10 works the best. It has the least amount of coefficient loss or evaporation loss. The steeper a roof like this, it has a nice good pitch to it, is a really nice roof to get that water off of, get it quick. The longer that water can be on that roof, the more it's open to. 10 works really well. I've put rainwater collection systems on our old composite shingle type roofs. They work just as well. And then also the wood ones collect off of their parking lot. They're collecting rainwater off of their parking lot. They run it into two 10,000 gallon storage bins, and they're using that rainwater for fire protection. It used to be what they did is they sent up actual tankers to fly around to make sure that if a wildfire got too close to the McDonald Observatory, they'd be up there to protect it. Now they're able to collect rainwater off of the parking lot to do that protection for rainwater there. So there's a lot of use. The more of an angle pitch you have, the faster that water runs off of and the cleaner it will be. Now when somebody says, well, I have a really heavy pitched house, a lot of square footage on that. Well, when we start talking about collecting rainwater, it's the actual square footage of your foundation. Pitch of the house doesn't have anything, doesn't affect how much water you'll collect. For every, we'll go back to the Aggie math I worked from. I did graduate from A&M, but this area, 12 inch by 12 inch square, 1 square foot. If I get an inch of rain, this is my inch. My little boy, he's like, an inch of rain, Papa? I'm like, no, an inch of rain. You get an inch of rain, you can collect 6/10 of a gallon of water. 0.6 gallons of water. 1 gallon, 0.6. Papa, right there. Quite a bit. So we're talking, and then of course, since I do work for Aggies, I got to throw in the Aggie math. Some people are like, well, so I got to do 0.6 square foot. I'm like this. If you have a 1,000 square foot roof and you get a 1 inch rain, just figure it at 0.5. You're going to collect 500 gallons. So just about half of your square foot. I have a 2,000 square foot house that me and my wife live in. 1 inch rain on that house, I can collect 1,000 gallons of water real quick.
Do these have to get brown?